Hello everyone. I admit that I am suffering now from lower back injury, but it doesn't mean that I will stop the ministry that God entrusted unto me. And what may happen, as long as I am breathing, I will continue the ministry. And sooner or later, one of my personal goal, or should I say ministry goal, is that the entire Albay will be reached out by maybe by 2030, and that's province wide, and the entire Bicol region will be reached out by 2040. That means region wide, and finally the the entire Philippines will be reached out by 2050, and that is nationwide. And sooner or later, if God allows me to continue the ministry, maybe even other nationalities will be reached out as well. Of course, with the help of my fellow Filipinos who serve the Lord until our last breath. See, I'm still breathing. Therefore, as long as I'm breathing, as long as I am alive, I will serve the Lord come what may happen, regardless of my suffering, regardless of my sickness, come what it may be, I will still continue until